Other news tonight, the message was loud and clear at the West Virginia State Capitol today. People in the Mountain State, particularly our seniors, want lower prescription drug prices. The state chapter of the American Association of Retired Persons, or AARP, is not mincing words. Members accuse pharmaceutical companies of price gouging and are pushing legislation that could lower drug prices. Many people make the choice of buying food or buying medicine.
Some of these are medications that people have to have so that they can stay alive, to do whatever else it is they need to do, whether it's raise their grandchildren, raise their own children, work, be productive.
If the prescription drug bill passes, there will be a website created where any West Virginian can go online or on their phone and find out what any prescription drug costs and find out also why it is at that particular price point. Right now, there are a number of bills in the House and Senate that have significant support among Republicans and Democrats to lower prices.
People talk about the high cost of drugs, and we have legislation to cap a couple of drugs here and there, EpiPens, insulin, but again, that's not getting to the why. Why are we seeing these price increases?
And it gets worse as many people are on multiple medications.
I can tell you that there's so many patients in West Virginia with several chronic diseases: hypertension, diabetes, hyperlipidemia, cardiovascular disease.
AARP is the sponsor of our weekend public affairs program, Inside West Virginia Politics. By the way, the Office of State Auditor J.B. McCuskey will be in charge of the online drug price database if this bill becomes law.